think I fell in love right then and there. We were out the door before the end of the song. I said, where to? She said, I don't care. Just don't take me home. What you waiting on? Just get dirt road, the windows down. And wanna get lost on the edge of town in a Chevrolet. And she said, give me 6 packs of Brooks and Dunn. If you want a country girl, you just found one. Let's slip away. Yeah, in a Chevrolet. Let's ride in your Chevrolet. Lord knows I've been praying for the day a girl like her would say, just give me a dirt road, the windows down. Wanna get lost on the edge of town in a Chevrolet. She said, give me 6 packs of Brooks and Dunn. If you want a country girl, you just found one. Let's slip away. In a Chevrolet. She said, give me a dirt road, the windows down. You wanna get lost on the edge of town in a Chevrolet. Give me 6 packs of Brooks and Dunn. If you want a country girl, you just found one. Let's slip away. In a Chevrolet. Oh, in a Chevrolet.
Let's learn Chevrolet. It's choreographed by Margaret Morrison. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Chevrolet. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a grapevine to the right, so we're going to step our right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to do a grapevine to the left, stepping left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Doing your grapevine, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those grapevines are going to feel kind of quick, so you want to make sure that you're taking nice small steps. Section 2, we're going to do side touch right and left. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right, step your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left. We're now going to do 3 walks back, stepping back right, left, right, and then you're going to bring your left heel up to your right shin doing a hook. So the hook should kind of mimic like a fishing hook, so that left heel is coming up, you're slightly bending your left knee. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your side touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do step block, step scuffs to the left and the right. So you're going to step your left foot forward, bring your right foot in and behind your left, step forward with your left and scuff your right heel on the floor. We're now going to step forward with our right, bring your left heel in and behind your right, and then step forward with your right and scuff your left heel. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our hook. You're doing your step block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 6 o'clock. Step forward with your left and hold. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock. Touch your right next to your left and hold. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We just scuffed our left heel, so you're going to do your step, half step. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your grapevine to the right and the left. So it's side behind, side touch, side behind, side touch, step touch, walk back, right, hook, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, So let's try that with some counts, doing your grapevine to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And then you're ready to go right into that grapevine. After you do that slight hold, you'll go into your grapevine to the right. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Remember, the song is a little peppy, so these grapevines and your walk back and stuff, they're gonna feel faster. So you wanna make sure that you're keeping those steps nice and small so that you can make that speed go nice and quick when you're doing this whole part of the dance. So the first part of the dance is going to feel a little bit faster than when you do that step half and your quarter. That's going to feel a little bit slower because it has those hold steps in it. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our grapevine to the right. It's side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, step, touch, right and left. Now walk back, right, left, right, hook, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, half, step, hold, step, quarter, touch, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, side touch, right and left. Now walk back, right, left, hook, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, half, step, step, quarter, touch, grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Chevrolet. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
She was dressed to kill, I was in my booth. So I had to pay for the uptown time. Yeah, but we talked for a while in a corner booth before closing time. She caught me by surprise. She said, "Get in dirt road, the windows down. You wanna get lost on the edge of town in a Chevrolet." She said, "Get in six packs of Brooks and Dunn. If you want a country girl, you just found one. Let's slip away." Yeah, in a Chevrolet. I think I fell in love right then and there. We were out the door before the end of the song. I said, "Where to?" She said, "I don't care."